If you're running a carpet cleaning business and looking for a way to streamline your operations, save time, and grow your revenue, Housecall Pro might just be the game changer you've been searching for. In this quick Housecall Pro explanation, I'll show you exactly how to use this powerful software to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. And stick around because I've got an exclusive free trial link with bonuses waiting for you at the end. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one business management tool designed specifically for service-based businesses like yours. It helps you manage everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payment processing all in one place. For carpet cleaning businesses, this means less time spent on admin tasks and more time focusing on what you do best, cleaning carpets. Let's start with scheduling. Housecall Pro allows you to easily book appointments online or over the phone. When a customer requests a service, you can instantly send them a confirmation with all the details, including the date, time, and even a map to their location. This eliminates back and forth calls and ensures your team shows up on time every time. Next, dispatching. Once an appointment is booked, Housecall Pro lets you assign jobs to your team with just a few clicks. Your technicians will receive all the job details directly on their mobile app, including customer notes, service history, and even photos of the area to be cleaned. This ensures everyone is on the same page and reduces the chance of miscommunication. Now let's talk about invoicing and payments. Housecall Pro makes it incredibly easy to create and send professional invoices directly from your phone or computer. You can even set up automatic payment reminders to ensure you get paid on time. But here's the best part. Customers can pay you instantly through the app using credit cards or ACH transfers. No more chasing payments or dealing with cash. Another standout feature for carpet cleaning businesses is the ability to upsell services. With Housecall Pro, you can create custom service packages and add-ons like stain protection or deodorizing treatments right in the app. This makes it easy to offer additional services to your customers, boosting your average job value. And don't forget about marketing. Housecall Pro includes tools to help you grow your business, like automated review requests and email campaigns. Happy customers can leave you glowing reviews with just one click, which helps build your reputation and attract new clients. By now, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how much does it cost? Well, here's the good news. You can try Housecall Pro completely free using the link below. Not only do you get access to all these features, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses to help you get started faster. So if you're ready to simplify your operations, impress your customers, and grow your carpet cleaning business, click the link below to start your extended free trial of Housecall Pro today. Trust me, you won't want to miss this opportunity.